The cabinet today clearing a hike in the number of subsidized LPG cylinders to every household from 6 to 9. And basically that means every household will now be eligible for 9 cheaper cooking gas cylinders that will be effective from the month of April.
In a bid to give relief to Aam Aadmi, the government on Thursday raised the cap on supply of subsidized LPG cylinders to 9 from 6 per year. The decision will be implemented from April this year.
The CCPI has approved the proposal to raise the cap from 6 cylinders to 9 cylinders. No change in prices. And by this, we have to, under recovery, will increase to the extent of 9,300 crores. 14th September to 31st March, it will be 3 to 5. Then 1/4/2013, it will be 6 to 9. This is the decision.
Going a step ahead to deregulate diesel prices, the government allowed oil companies to hike diesel prices periodically. Currently, the oil marketing companies are losing over 9 rupees per litre on the sale of diesel. However, there will be no change in LPG and kerosene rates.
Diesel is concerned, the OMCs, that the marketing companies, have been authorized to make from price corrections from time to time. There was a decision earlier for deregulated diesel, and in pursuance to that, they have been authorized, the OMCs have been authorized to make the price corrections from time to time.
With these decisions, consumers will get a quota of 5 subsidized cylinders between the period of September 2012 to March 2013. From April 1st, 2013, they will be entitled to 9 cylinders per annum. Subsidized LPG costs around 410 rupees per 14.2 kilogram cylinder, while the market price is around 895 rupees per cylinder. The Oil Ministry had earlier forwarded a note for consideration by the Cabinet, proposing options for meeting a record 1,60,000 crore rupees deficit arising from selling auto and cooking fuels below cost. The decisions come in the wake of the Finance Ministry refusing to bear any additional subsidy arising from raising the cap on supply of subsidized LPG. The Oil Ministry had proposed to make up for the shortfall by raising prices. According to the Ministry's estimates, raising the cap to 9 subsidized cylinders would put an additional burden of 9,200 crore to the exchequer. In September, the government limited the supply of subsidized LPG cylinders to 6 per household in a year, leading to protests from both within the ruling alliance and outside.
The United Progressive Alliance government and the Congress party has always put national interest over partisan political interest. We've always tried to mitigate the burden on the common people, but at the same time we've kept larger economic imperatives in mind. And in a tough international situation, it is always a very difficult balancing act when you have to balance the twin imperatives of revenue generation, because a large part of your crude is imported from abroad. There is elasticity and volatility in that price over which you really have no control, and ensuring that as less of the burden is passed on to the people as possible. So therefore, as a responsible government which keeps the revenue imperatives of the nation in mind, this is a tough balancing act which you do. And I think in this particular instance, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas would have applied itself very, very diligently before they arrived at certain conclusions. And I think that the decision to increase LPG cylinders from 6 to 9 is something which was demanded by the Congress party. In fact, when we met in Surajkund, this was something which was unanimously flagged for the attention of the oil minister. And I'm very happy that he's responded constructively, and this would mitigate the burden on the housewife.
Adding anything to what Mr. Moidi said, but what I've understood is the oil companies have been allowed to make small corrections from time to time. Emphasize the word small corrections from time to time. That, I believe, the Petroleum Ministry has allowed the oil companies. So that is what you should report.
Is there any impact on the subsidy amount, even if it's a small change in prices?
See, I am not factoring that at the moment. I am proceeding on the basis that the subsidy bill remains the same. When they will make the small corrections, how much I can't say. So I'm not factoring it. But they have been given the freedom to make small corrections.
पेट्रोल, डीजल अथवा जो कुकिंग गैस, एलपीजी, इन सब सारी चीजों की बेतहाशा कीमत इस गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा बढ़ाई जा रही है। मुझे लगता है कि चाहे ऑयल हो अथवा गैस हो, इनके प्राइसेस के निर्धारण में जिस प्रकार की कोई एक प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए, इस गवर्नमेंट के पास कोई प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी नहीं है। अभी हाल में ही आज जो जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है कि अभी कुकिंग गैस सिलेंडर के ऊपर जो कैपिंग थी उसे 6 से बढ़ाकर 9 कर दिया है। लेकिन 5 मेंबर की यदि कोई भी फैमिली हो तो मैं समझता हूं पूरे साल में केवल 9 सिलेंडर में भी उसका काम नहीं चलेगा।
By announcing freedom to oil marketing companies to decide and take a call on diesel prices is nothing but a deliberate decision to hide the facts from the people. There is nothing to celebrate. This is nothing but an effort by raising the prices under different disguise. बीजेपी इस राशनिंग को समाप्त करने की मांग करती है।
Once you deregulate price of diesel, it will continue to rise like petrol prices have gone. Government should have protected the diesel prices and similarly kerosene prices. So we are not happy with these steps. These are all putting burdens on the common man in the name of economic reforms.
एक और हमला है ये जनता पर। जैसे पेट्रोल का डीकंट्रोल हुआ, डीजल का डीकंट्रोल होने का मतलब है कि लगातार डीजल का दाम बढ़ते जाएगा।